Ready to unlock the full potential of Aisensy and master the art of crafting the perfect message? First, let's jump right into the Aisensy platform. You'll want to locate the Compose Message button, usually found on the main dashboard or in the messaging section. Click on it to open a new message window. Now, you'll see a few key fields. In the recipient number field, carefully enter the phone number of the person you want to reach, including the country code. Next, select your message type. Aisensy supports various formats like text, images, videos, and even interactive elements. Let's start with a simple text message. In the text input area, type your message. Aisensy often provides basic formatting options, so look for things like bold, italics, or bullet points to make your message stand out. If you're sending an image or video, you'll usually see an upload button. Click on it to select the media file from your computer or device. Once uploaded, you might have options to add a caption or preview the file. Before sending, always double-check your message for any typos or errors. Then, look for the Send button. You might also have options to schedule your message for later delivery. Click Send, and your message is on its way. Keep an eye on the delivery status to ensure it reaches your intended recipient. Experiment with different message types and formatting options to see what works best for your audience. That's all there is to it.